Today, we've got something exciting for you if you're on the lookout for the best cordless vacuums under $100. We've researched and tested several models to bring you the top contenders that won't break the bank. You can find the product links in the video description. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list. Our first contender in this budget-friendly lineup is the Eureka PowerSpeed. This lightweight upright vacuum means business when it comes to cleaning both carpets and hard floors. The new model, available in a sleek blue and black design, promises powerful suction without compromising on ease of use. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Eureka PowerSpeed stand out. If you're a pet owner, you know the struggle of keeping your home fur-free. Well, enter the Bissell Clean View Swivel Pet Reach, a full-size vacuum cleaner designed to tackle pet hair with finesse. Quick-release wand and swivel steering. Yes, please. Let's explore why this Bissell model is a game-changer for pet-friendly households. Next up, we have the Hoover Wind Tunnel Cord Rewind Pro. This bagless upright vacuum is engineered for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. With its convenient cord rewind feature, cleaning up has never been more hassle-free. Let's uncover the impressive features that make the Hoover UH71300V a stand-up performer in this price range. Now let's talk about the VacMaster UC0501, a bagless upright vacuum cleaner with a large dust cup capacity. Perfect for those who want to spend more time cleaning and less time emptying the dustbin. With an efficient cyclone filtration system and a lengthy 17-foot cord, the VacMaster is ready to take on carpets, hard floors, and even pet hair. Let's see why it deserves a spot on our list. If you're looking for versatility, the Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 has got you covered. This lightweight, corded, bagless stick vac transforms into a handheld for those hard-to-reach places. Perfect for quick cleanups and small spaces, the Dirt Devil Vibe is a budget-friendly multitasker. Let's see why it's a top pick for those who value convenience. Next up, we have the VacMaster 5-gallon shop vacuum. This isn't just your ordinary vacuum, it's a powerful suction wet-dry vacuum cleaner with a blower function. With a 3-peak HP motor, HEPA filter, and a 10-foot power cord, the VacMaster Shop Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool that goes beyond the basics. Let's explore why this vacuum is a must-have for those who need a bit more from their cleaning equipment. Now, let's talk about the Black Plus Decker Power Series Cordless Stick Vacuum. This 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse in titanium gray offers the convenience of both a stick vacuum and a handheld vac. What sets it apart is the easy-to-detach beater bar, ensuring top performance by keeping it clean and free of hair. Let's dive deeper into what makes this Black Plus Decker vacuum a must-have for those seeking a blend of power and versatility. Moving on to the Vever Wet Dry Vac, this 2.6-gallon, 2.5-peak HP vacuum is a 3-in-1 portable cleaning solution. With a blowing function and convenient attachment storage, it's perfect for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks, from floors and upholstery to gaps, and even your car. Let's explore why the Vever Wet Dry Vac is a compact yet powerful addition to your cleaning arsenal. For those who value powerful suction in a compact design, the Aspiron Small Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer. With 20 kPa powerful suction, a 0.88 QT dust cup, and an impressive 32-foot power cord, this 5-in-1 handheld and lightweight bagless vacuum is perfect for carpets, floors, and even pet hair. Let's uncover why the Aspiron Small Vacuum Cleaner is a force to be reckoned with in the world of compact cleaning. The VacMaster Corded Stick Vacuum is a 2-in-1 cleaning solution that combines ultra-lightweight design with powerful 14 kPa suction. Ideal for home, car, pet hair, carpets, and hard floors, this vacuum comes with a washable HEPA filter for easy maintenance. Let's delve into why the VacMaster corded stick vacuum stands out in terms of power and versatility. Now, let's introduce the Ovent electric bag canister vacuum. With 3-speed control and powerful portable suction, this vacuum is designed for both hard floors and carpets. It comes equipped with 3 cleaning attachments for a tailored cleaning experience. Let's explore why the Ovent canister vacuum is the go-to choice for those who seek power with precise control. Last but not least, we have the Voltor cordless handheld vacuum, a mini powerhouse with 15,000 PA high power suction, portable, USB rechargeable, and featuring 2 gears of suction. This handheld cleaner in vibrant purple is perfect for both home and car use. Let's see why the Voltor cordless handheld vacuum is the ultimate on-the-go cleaning companion. And there you have it, folks. Our roundup of the best cordless vacuums under $100. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, tackling various surfaces, or looking for a versatile cleaning solution, these vacuums have got you covered. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cleaning tips and product reviews. Happy cleaning!